So I'm trying to take this off so I can replace it onto the new trunk. So I'm gonna have to unplug this whole cable so I can replace that whole cable with this cable in here. The one thing that's different is that this gets opened with the remote on the car because of this mechanism right here. But this one, the old one here, this has the old system. So this trunk came off an '07 Civic, which has a key to open the locks, like the one I'm showing you right there. So I need to switch it out for one on my car, which has a remote to open the trunk. Also, this trim right here on that car is black, but here it's chrome, and it doesn't have the keyhole. So even though I like it that one's black, I might take the chrome one out, put it on that one, maybe spray paint it, just because this one doesn't have the keyhole like that one does. I'm gonna take a picture of this just to remember how it all goes in. It looks so weird with no trunk. You guys might be wondering, why did I take that trunk out when it looked just fine? Well, there's a lot of rust on it and I didn't want to fix it. So that was the best way I could handle it. Alright, now that's off. I'm gonna focus on this one. I did the same to this one by just taking out all the whole cord. That sold me this trunk, just cut it off his truck, his Civic, just because there's no way of unplugging the harness. Show you guys what I mean. I don't need that because that's gets activated with a key to open the trunk. This one has this one can do with the remote, and also has the one inside the car that you pull too. So I had all day to do this, but I only got to it in the evening. I don't know why. It's probably dark. The sun is setting. Alright, so we got the old harness out of the old trunk, so now it's time to replace it onto the car and see how it looks like for the first time. And now that the trunk is properly installed, I'm just checking to see if it works well and to make sure it's aligned with the body. Which one looks better? The black or the chrome? Oh, the chrome. Alright, so the trunk looks good. Here I'm just installing the module that we use to open the trunk, and also the wire that you pull to open the trunk from inside of the car. Alright, and the very last thing here, we're just connecting the harness and all the clips we need to connect, and finishing off all the very last touches. Thank you all for watching this far into the video. I appreciate you all for sticking around. Make sure you subscribe and let me know of any tips you need in the comments.